today we are going to try CPU mining on our Linux Ubuntu operating system. So for CPU mining we are going to use Minergate application. So to install Minergate, first you need to go to minergate.com, and before installing Minergate application you need to sign up first, so that whatever mining you will do, that needs to be added to an account using which you can withdraw whatever mining you did. So first do the sign up here, and once you have done the sign up, go to download section, and here you can see you have options for Ubuntu 16, 14 and Fedora. So this current operating system is of version 16.04, which I am using right now. So once this Debian package gets downloaded, we will install it, and that would be the application on which we will do our CPU mining. This will get downloaded to the downloads folder. This is of size 20 MB right now. So yeah, so it's not a harmful package. Just press on keep to complete the download part, and you can see I already had this package. So to install this Debian package, run the command sudo Debian package install Minergate. Yeah, so the installation is done. So if you look for Minergate, yeah, so this is your application. So put the email ID using which you did the sign up on minergate.com website. So I'm just putting some random fake ID, but you need to give a proper email ID so that whatever mining you do will be added to your particular account. So once you have submitted your email ID, just press on start mining, and it will start mining one of the cryptocurrency based on the better exchange rate they have. So right now it is mining XMR for you, and as you can see, you have options to select number of CPU you want to allocate to this mining pool. So right now it's using 2, I can make it 4 and mine just XMR and allocate all my CPU cores to this particular currency. You can mine multiple currencies at the same time, so I can give 2 CPU to XMR and 2 core to Ethereum and run both the currencies parallelly. But I won't suggest that, because its laptop already has very less hash power, and mining multiple currencies with less hash power might not give you better result. So yeah, that's how so now your mining is started. So if you are using, if your laptop is on idle state, you can use all 4 cores and keep it somewhere in cold place, because it gets heat up, it utilizes 100% of your CPU. And yeah, so that's all you have to do for mining using Minergate. So you can switch whichever cryptocurrency you want to switch, and this will keep on running. I can show you my real account. So right now this is my Minergate application, on which I don't mine these currencies at the moment. There is an option to add custom pool or other pools. This is the option. So add this icon here, and here I've added Electronium, which I currently am mining right now using Minergate. So this is one of the features available in Minergate. You can add custom pools. So for that, all you need to do is add the pool name, the pool URL of particular region, and the pool login. That would be your public key, like in case of Electronium, and just click on add pool, and you can just start mining. So this has started my electronium mining right now with 40 on an average hash power. And so you can see these currencies output on your Minergate's home dashboard tab. On dashboard it will show you whatever you have mined here. Currently I'm not mining anything, any of these currencies. I'm only mining electronium, and I can show you how many electronium I have mined already. So this is my electroniums account. So till now I've mined 18.61 electronium. So this is pretty much good, but doing CPU mining is not that much profitable, because you can't mine better currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and this is okay if you have some machine idle at your home and you can use it to mine these small new currencies. But if you really want to gain some good return from mining, I would suggest to go for cloud mining. And Minergate also have cloud mining option available, but I will stop this because it is freezing my laptop slowly. So yeah, so you can see Minergate also have CPU mining option, but Minergate is a very new company in the mining business. So I won't recommend you to go for Minergate as of the moment, because there are already very good and trustworthy companies available for mining, for cloud mining, and some of them are like Genesis Mining, BitClub, and Hashflare. These three mining company you will hear on YouTube or Google, wherever you will look for. So I myself have invested in Genesis Mining and BitClub. I'm not investing in Hashflare because it only have 1 year contract, which is very less, and Genesis Mining is currently sold out completely for Bitcoin. So BitClub seems to be the perfect mining company as of now to invest, which is very trustworthy. And the good part is that they are planning to invest huge, and they are bringing up much hash power in the coming months, December, Jan, coming 4 months. So if you want to get a good return, you should join this company as of now, so that, because it takes 30 days to start your mining your currencies, and if you start now, by end of this year your mining will start. And as you can see, they are planning to bring huge hash power to this company in this coming 4 months. So you should definitely get into BitClub as soon as possible. And so to become a member of BitClub, you need a sponsor, and you can use my sponsor name or user ID. And the benefit you will get is that if you use my sponsor name, they are going to give me a commission of 5%. So I can show you the available packages or pool they have. In BitClub, they have, for Bitcoin mining, they have 4 pools of worth $500, $100, $2,000, and $3,500, which is the founder pool, which is most profitable, as they say. So I would definitely suggest to go for founder pool, but it's on you, like whichever you feel comfortable and whichever you can afford easily. I will suggest you to go for that. And so suppose if you go for a founder pool and if you use my sponsor ID, so in that case I will get 5% of commission. So I can show you how much I will get here. So these two accounts I've added recently, and I've received $175 out of the founder pool, that is of $3,500. So what I'm going to do here is, like, if you use my sponsor ID, I'm just going to return you back this amount worth BTC back to you, because I don't want to earn from the commission which this company gives. I want to earn using mining and building the proper binary tree, so that we can earn from the company, not from each other's commission. So once you if you use my sponsor ID, you just have to let me know. Just you have to give your user ID and Bitcoin wallet address in the comment section, and once you are added, I will get a notification, and once it is confirmed, I will just return you this much amount back to your BTC account. So using this method, you can grow your network, and it will be good for us in future, because 2018 is going to be a good year, because many people are getting confidence in cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin, and this company is very trustworthy. So I think many people are going to join, and I'm also going to put too much effort to build my network. So if you join sooner, you will be at top level in my network. So I will highly suggest to join as soon as possible, and it is totally trustworthy, and the sooner you join, the more benefit you will gain, and we can get a good success using mining, using BitClub company. So that's it, guys. So if you like this video, you can just give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and in future I'm going to show you, once this mining starts, if some guys are not still convinced with the mining thing, I'm going to do a mining video where I will show you the daily output that BitClub will give me return. But there are like plenty of videos available in the market on YouTube, and I would suggest to look that videos, and don't wait before investing. You should, if you are carrying some amount of money, I would definitely suggest you to invest it as soon as possible. And one more thing, this sponsor ID TAN_ALAM, these are all smaller case, and yeah, definitely use this one, and I will just return you back whatever commission I will get from your pool. So that's it for today, guys. I will definitely come with some new videos regarding development part soon, and some other benefit, some other mining thing I can, some another mining technology that I will try it out, and if it is beneficial, I will definitely create videos for that. But none of the normal CPU mining would be beneficial as compared to cloud mining. So this is the only thing, this is the one of the best thing I can see for mining right as of the moment. So we can join this pool and take a benefit of that. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye.